Hello, so this is the demonstration video for the code complete for chess. So just to start out here, if I were to click this black piece here, we see that I can't move because white has to go first. So let's just start out by, let's just move this pawn forward 2. We could move 1, and we'll demonstrate that a little bit later, but we can move forward 2. And then here we can just mirror it with the black pawn. And then we can take this queen, and then we can move it out. I don't want to move that one, that'll kill the king. Then we can move this pawn forward 2. Other piece to demonstrate. Here, let's take this knight. So here I can move either way. I can move that here, and then this king we can move forward 1. Because we can't kill anything else because they're our own color, because that'd be pretty dumb. Then we can move this white pawn too. Let's get a kill here. Let's move this black pawn 1, and then we can take this bishop, and then we can kill that black pawn. We can have this rook, and we can kill that bishop. And then here, that's right, it's white's turn. And then this white one, so we can move forward here, or we can kill either black pawn. So here, I'll just kill that one. And then with the black pawn, we can just move forward 1. But that is basically our demonstration video for chess.